Can you tell which one of these tablets is the Honor Pad X9 or the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9? Anyone looking to buy a budget tablet in 2024, I would have a look at the Honor Pad X9. Here in the UK, it's around £140. For what you get for your money, it's quite impressive. Quick unboxing here. And the tablet does have that premium quality feel to it. It does hold 6 speakers, which is quite impressive. USB power. And it also got a volume rocker and the power button. What else is in the box? This doesn't come with a power brick. It is just your basic leaflets, instructions, and a charging lead. This is in the UK, it might be different around the world. The display is 11.5 inches with a resolution of 1200 by 2000. The tablet also has a high refresh rate of 120, which is very good for a tablet in this price range. Also, 128GB storage and 4GB of RAM, which is fast enough for this tablet for what you're going to use it for. It's also Android 13. Its last Google update on here, November 23, and October for the security patch. And the screen, with its high resolution and its high refresh rate, runs ebooks, PDF files, browsing the web, no problem at all. It handles browsing YouTube, no problem with the different resolutions. Runs them great, no lag, no buffering. And here it is up against the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Both look good, but which one is the Honor Pad X9? The tablet's okay for light gaming, nothing big. It's not one of the big Android gaming tablets. Light gaming. This game's probably pushing it to its limits, but it was playable. Specs for this tablet are good for the price you're going to pay for it. Large display with that 120 refresh rate. It's got a premium look, 6 speakers, Android 13, runs the Play Store no problem. Its biggest rival in the UK would be the Galaxy Tab A8, which is a smaller screen, runs slower, less RAM, does have a micro SD slot, but for that price you're only getting 32 gig of internal storage. You're getting 128 on the Honor X9. Benchmark results for the Honor tablet are reasonable for the price that you're going to pay for this tablet. The Samsung Tab A8 is poor results and you'll pay more. But if you have the budget, the Tab S9 would be the one to go for. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.